In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a Zoom meeting across desktop, web, and mobile platforms. This is a valuable feature when you want to maintain control over who can join your virtual meetings. Whether you're hosting a sensitive business discussion or simply want to ensure that only invited participants are present, locking a meeting provides an added layer of security. While you're in the midst of hosting or co-hosting a Zoom meeting, start by directing your attention to the meeting toolbar. There, you'll notice a security icon resembling a shield. Click on this icon and you'll see an option labeled Lock Meeting. Go ahead and select it. As soon as you activate this feature, any new participants will be unable to join the meeting, even if they have the correct meeting ID or passcode. This is a straightforward way to ensure your meeting remains private and uninterrupted. But what if a participant joins late, or you decide to welcome additional attendees later on? Fortunately, the process is just as simple. Navigate back to the security icon on the toolbar and uncheck the Lock Meeting option. This action will reopen access to your meeting, allowing others to join as needed. Preparing in advance can also enhance your meeting's security and flow. Before your meeting even begins, consider diving into the settings on the Zoom web portal. Once logged in, head over to the Settings section, then under Meetings, look for Schedule Meeting. Here, you'll find an option to disable Join Before Host. By doing this, you'll ensure that no one can enter the meeting room before you're ready to start. This particular setting helps maintain the control you need over when and how your meeting begins. Another helpful feature you might want to enable is the waiting room. This feature acts as a virtual waiting area where participants can gather before being admitted into the meeting. It gives you the opportunity to screen arrivals and decide who to allow into your meeting. Enabling the waiting room adds an extra layer of security, ensuring only the right people gain access to your virtual space. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to maintain control over your Zoom meetings, ensuring that your virtual interactions are both secure and efficient. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.